I walk through this world with a heavy heart, holding head, calling, so I don't fall apart. A smile on my face, but it's all just a show. No one can see what they don't really want to know. But when the clouds roll in and the thunder cries, I don't have to fake it, I don't have to hide. When it rains, I can let it all go, stand in the storm and be finally known. With the sky pouring down, I can finally break. No one sees the tears, just the drops on my face. Oh, when it rains, I am free. Lightning flashes, I feel it inside, like fire burning where the pain used to hide. But in the chaos, in the darkest night, I hear a whisper and he surrounds me with his light. And when the heavens weep, he meets me and he's calling my name, washing away every fear, every shame. When it rains, I can let it all go, stand in the storm and be finally known. With the sky pouring down, I can finally break. No one sees the tears, just the drops on my face. Oh, when it rains, I am free. Oh, let the thunder shake me, let his love overtake me. In the arms of the storm, I'm not alone. God is here and it's seen I am known. When it rains, I can let it all go, stand in the storm and be finally known. With his light pouring down, I am finally seen. No